me say this, please. Oh!
What?
It lets me say it!
Say what?
Or lets me say the freaking...
Wait. Oh my God, can you really say it? Wait, where are you? I'm in the hallway. Hey, do not move. Oh, I see your name tag. I see your name tag.
I'm gonna go up next.
Hey, no, I'm gonna kick you on the no. Wait, I think I can I'm going to glitch to the game. I know how to glitch. Wait, I can't glitch because I'm on the stage. I know how to get on the stage. You got this. You got this. Oh, it looks like it's eight.
Oh, man. Homie, there ain't no coming back from that.
No, it's like you're going like what the fuck. Wait. 7 for days. Alright, dude. Wait, what? Close this thing. Close it. Oh. Yeah, I pushed him. Wait, what is his name? Deadpan. No, you're not. Watch, it's gonna be me. We might have both of us react to watch each other. Like, fuck them.
Like, hold me, like, it's gonna be me. Yeah, like that.
Exactly, I'm kidding. Is this a rope run? You are so laggy. Yes. Oh God, what was that? Who is AFK?
Hey, that's a phone call, baby. Rap we go.
Look, watch this, you guys. Look, watch, guys. Did I just hear my phone echo? Jay.
Yo, hold on. Our competitors for this round will be...
You can't be sitting behind me. They're partners in their class 2, look.